Hello folks, welcome to another Yardie TV special. Now today we're making a Jamaican favorite. No matter where you come from, east, north, south or west, you're gonna love this one. We're making curry chicken back. Now this is a unique video because it's not gonna be a tutorial like normal because most of the work has been done already. Guys, when you make chicken back, you have to season it overnight. You have to marinate it. You have to make sure say it well and proper season. And of course, a curry, we are curry it. So that means we have to go all out. Let me just show you quickly some of the ingredients that I use aside from the regular scallion, pepper, garlic, thyme, may have some other seasonings that I use. So start with ground cumin. All right, me use some ground cumin. Me use a little bit of red pepper flakes. Me use some Larry's. Yeah, Larry's seasoned salt. And me use some onion powder. All right. These are part of the marinating crew. Remember me tell you. I also add garlic powder. And the star of the show is our own Jamaican better pack curry. Normally you find better pack curry in the supermarket in a plastic bag. So what we do is we take it from the plastic bag and put it in a container. So just, fix it up. It's supposed to mark better pack curry, but my hand rub it off. So the next thing you're gonna see, guys, is us getting ready to put the curry chicken in the pot because, as I said before, it is already marinated from overnight, and so we're gonna make it sure say nice and ready and spicy and ting. So let we go. Yes, curry chicken back on Yardie TV. If you like it, you like it. By the way, just before we start the cooking, listen, remember to subscribe, share, and press the thumbs up button on Yardie TV videos. We have a ton of videos coming out. And remember, guys, remember our question of the day videos. Remember our restaurant review videos. We are still doing it. Yardie TV kicking up a storm. But it's time for the curry chicken back. You have to talk it in a Spanish, in a French, because it's, luxury food. Curry, the curry, or the chicken back a la curry. Yeah, my face is sorry to say. The chicken back a la curry. Let's go. Yeah, I go cook. Curry chicken, me say curry chicken. Curry chicken, me say curry chicken. So here we have our marinated chicken and we are getting ready to put this in the pot now. Woo, 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 woo. Curry chicken back. Curry chicken back. Curry chicken back. Go in the pot. Yes, man. Curry chicken, me say curry chicken. Curry chicken. Curry chicken. Curry chicken, me say curry chicken. Curry chicken. Curry chicken. Curry chicken. Hey. This is when you steam it down now. You have to stir it around. This is a special order of chicken back. Yes, Yardie TV do special orders when it's chicken back. Oh, I must tell you guys, we did add a little bit of chicken parts. There's some chicken legs that we had in the fridge. We added it to our chicken back, and so what we have here is just chicken legs and chicken back stewing down in our curry gravy, our curry sauce. This is natural gravy formed while the chicken was steaming down. We did add a little bit of water, but not too much. It looked good, though. And of course, guys, you want to stir occasionally to make sure that it doesn't burn. You want to also add your, special seasonings, your scallions, your onions, a little bit more garlic, and make sure you check for salt and all the other little spices. I did put a full Scotch bonnet pepper in this one. So yeah, it's really happening. And now we're ready to serve, I tell you the truth. Been a while and it's ready to serve. For this meal, we're having it with some ground provisions, dumpling and soft yam and sweet potato and banana. Yes, may I tell you. Hey, every now and then, just to stay true to your Jamaican roots, put on a pot of curry chicken and make sure say at the back part you use. And I promise you, it's gonna be well worth it. A Yardie TV, and remember we say, curry chicken, we say curry chicken. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Yardie TV. Follow us on all socials at Yardie TV. And of course, guys, if you love this one, please give it a thumbs up. Big up on yourself. Remember,